Welcome back to Tonghat's channel. In this video, I will show you guys how to add keyframes in Capcut. As you know, keyframe is a feature that marks the starting point and the end of a transition. It is so easy to do in Capcut and you can try. For example, I want to do the zoom in transition in the middle of my video. First of all, I will mark the starting point of the transition. For example, I'm going to choose this part and then I'm going to just click on the video here. Click on the video and then click here to activate the keyframe, which is the diagonal symbol just under the video preview. Okay, and this is the starting point of the transition. Okay, now we're going to mark the end point of the transition here, which is somewhere over here. You can mark it to the end of the video, that's alright, but I'm going to mark it here. And then click on the video again, and then click here to end the keyframes, to end the transition. And then don't forget to do the transition here. For example, I'm going to zoom in. Okay, this is enough, and then we'll see the preview first. That's all for the keyframes tutorial. If you find this tutorial helpful, remember to like this video, subscribe for other tutorial videos, and let me know your thoughts in the comment. Thank you guys.